Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Big Data Knowledge and Official. So in the today's video we are going to see the steps in the machine learning. In the previous video we have seen what is meant by machine learning and what are the different steps. So in this today's video we are going to see the steps. So this is the overview of the detailed steps involved in the machine learning process. First is data gathering, next one is data pre-processing, next is feature engineering, next is algorithm selection and training, and next is making prediction. So this is the small overview of all the steps. In detail we will be seeing this step in the next video, where I will be giving a relevant example for each of the steps. So we will just go through what are the detailed steps involved in this process. So as the name indicates, in data gathering we are collecting the data from various resources. It can be a database, it can be a website, it can be a real-time data. So by using different sources, we are collecting the data into one form. Now in the data pre-processing, whatever the data we have collected, we need to clean the data so that there should be a homogeneity in the data. Homogeneity means same pattern, or the data should be in the same format. So to make the data into the same format, or to collect the data into same format, we need to clean the data, we need to remove the unwanted data from the data set. So that is the process which is known as data cleaning or data pre-processing. Now the next step, or the third step is the feature engineering. So in feature engineering we are making our data more useful. Means we have cleaned the data, now we are removing the irrelevant data and making the data more useful so that the analysis can be done on that data to generate a specific output. So all these processes are interrelated. Once we clean the data, we need to collect only the relevant data to make the predictions more clear. Next step is the algorithm selection and training. Now, in algorithm selection and training, we are selecting the right model or right machine learning model or right machine learning algorithm and training the data to generate the output. The final step is making the prediction, means evaluating the model after generating the output. So these are the 5 steps which are involved in the machine learning process. We are collecting the data from various resources, we are processing the data, we are making the data clean to make it easy and in a certain format with a similar pattern. After that, we are taking the data which is relevant for the analysis, we are removing the unwanted data, so we are making the data more useful. After that, algorithm, we are applying the algorithm and we are generating the outputs. So we will take the specific input, we will do the analysis, we will apply the machine learning algorithm and generate the output. In making prediction, we are evaluating the performance of a model. Like if you have developed a model, how accurate it is predicting the score. That is the use of making the prediction. So these are the 5 basic steps. In the next video, we will be seeing the in detail with example for all the steps. So basically, we are using machine learning, as we saw in the yesterday's video, to make the use of the data to answer the specific questions, and it is used by all the industry because of the increase in the computing power and the increase in the data or the data availability. So basically there are 3 types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement, and this is the types of process involved in the machine learning, that is data gathering, data pre-processing, feature engineering, algorithm selection and training, and making prediction. I hope everyone is clear with the steps involved in the machine learning. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, where I upload short reels related to machine learning and big data. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and also DM me your queries there. My ID is provided in the description box. Thank you everyone.